Welcome, 8th graders. This is your new design notebook that you'll be working on for the next 5 days or so. And it's going to be going into computer coding. And so you can see we have a similar setup for the design notebook where you can see what we're going to be doing on each of the days for this project. And so with today being day number 1, you can see that you already reviewed grades from your last project and then just introduced this new design notebook. And for your homework, you're going to be researching and finding definitions for vocabulary terms. And so for the next couple weeks, you're going to be learning about different ways to code and break tasks and codes down into ways that a computer can read it, and you'll be able to do different things with that. So in order to help you with that, it's important to know some of the vocabulary terms that we're going to be using. It'll make it a lot easier if you know what they mean as we go through it. So scrolling down, first, make sure that for day number 1, which is what we are on, write your goal for today. Make sure you have that written in there. What do you want to accomplish? And then down below, this is what your homework is for today, the vocabulary words here. And the biggest thing is just don't copy and paste from Google. And so it should be written in your own words so that it actually makes sense to you and you can apply it when we go through this unit. And so I'll do the first one with you, and the word is algorithm. And so I'll go to Google, type in definition of algorithm. And it's going to give you a Google, and again, I don't want anybody to just copy and paste. It's number 1, it's a little bit longer than what we need it to be. Number 2, that's not actually learning what the meaning of the word is, it's simply copying. So let's read it together and then put it in our own words of how it actually can make sense to us. So it says, a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. And so just remember, for any of the definitions that you find, you may get different definitions, but we're looking for the one that's talking about computer programming or coding that applies to that. So with this definition, how it would make sense to me would be saying a set of rules that a computer can understand. And that's going to be my definition of algorithm, a set of rules that a computer understands. And so when we do the activities later on talking about an algorithm, well, it's going to be a set of rules so that a computer is breaking it down step by step and it can actually understand that. And so you have the rest of these vocabulary words to find the definition of. Again, just write it in your own words, try to make sense of what it means, and write complete sentences. When you're done with these vocabulary words, go all the way to the bottom of your design notebook and write your daily summary for day number 1. What did we accomplish? What did you learn? And write complete sentences for that.